will you be seeking higher position after? Kasi may kumakalat-kalat po na pangmamarites po.
Oo, may tandem na nga
May tandem na raw sa social media. For 2028, magalang for President Vico Soto, for Vice President. Ano po yung reaction dito?
Lord, Denise, lagi ko naman binabanggit yan. Siguro nag-umpisa yan when I started yung strong advocacy for good governance, especially yung corruption nga. At sinasabi na kaya ginagawa ni Magalong yan dahil nga nagplaplano lang yan tumakbo sa mga higher position. No, I'm not entertaining any thoughts about running for president, for Senate, or for Congress, especially Congress, itong House of Representatives. Ginagawa ko lang to because, it's a legacy that we can pass on to the next generation.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, Mayor, i-clarify ko lang. You are not entertaining right now or at all?
Nag-usap-usap na kami ng members ng family ko, sabi ko, or not. Siguro after my third term, I would rather spend my time with my grandkids.
Pahinga ka naman daw.
Sa kanila.
Parang ganda no? Tambalang Magco.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Magalong Vico.
Oo.
Pero
Nangungulit ka, Lord.